For cycling fans, safety always comes first. This is the BH60 Smart Helmet introduced by Liveall, the most powerful and smart helmet created and designed by a group of cyclists who have an enormous passion for cycling. The Liveall Smart Helmet will give you a comfortable, safe, and smart riding experience you've been looking for. This small multifunctional controller is what we call BlingJet. You can signal left or right turns through the helmet lights and choose your favorite music by BlingJet during your ride. We've also designed an adjustable phone holder with an integrated power bank, which can be adapted to a variety of smartphone models, as well as providing an extra battery for charging. We've created the world's smallest nano-cadence sensor that works together with our powerful app for you to stay on top of all your data, whether it's your physical condition or the weather, at all times to better understand and enhance your riding performance. The helmet is an essential part of your cycling experience. That's why we've designed the unique Liveall Smart Helmet. During your ride, you can use BlingJet and easily control functions of your helmet. The movable and rear lights can help you stay safe and keep track of your friends at night. The built-in speakers and microphone make it easier to communicate with your fellow riders, take phone calls, or even listen to music. In case of an emergency, our smart helmet will display SOS signals and alert your emergency contacts. The Liveall Smart Helmet works to make your life easier, safer, and smarter. We put our hearts into the design of Oxygen and use the best materials available. We hope that the Oxygen bike and smart helmet can make cycling safer and more enjoyable. Pledge now. Let's ride smart. Together.
When we set out to build Element, we didn't set out to improve upon the best cycling computers the market had to offer. We set out to do what Wahoo does best: completely reimagine and reinvent what the market had to offer. As cyclists ourselves, we wanted to create a computer that was simple to set up, simple to see, and simple to use. Over 250,000 workouts and 10 powerful integrations later, and we're ready to introduce our next breakthrough. Meet Element Bolt, the new GPS bike computer from Wahoo, offering all the power and simplicity of the Wahoo Element in an aerodynamically advanced design built for performance. Created in collaboration with Metron Advanced Equipment, the most innovative minds in composite design, Element Bolt is more than a sleek head unit. It's an integrated computer and mount system that works together as one cohesive, streamlined unit to significantly reduce wind resistance. The result is a bike computer that does more than help you track your best times. It helps you achieve them.
When you hold the compact for the first time, you'll feel its perfection. You'll feel the quality blends with its slick design and high level of security. We have already delivered 2 Kickstarter projects for 2 remarkable, innovative bicycle locks. Now we've poured all our knowledge and know-how to the amazing Foldy Lock Compact. The Foldy Lock Compact is something that this industry is still yet to see. It has tons of cool features that makes it just something else. Silicone buffers protects your bike frame and eliminates vibrations. Mounting is possible almost anywhere. Using the straps or the water bottle screws. One push and it's secured in the case. Thanks to the case's unique design, it won't fall out while riding. It won't even shake. Cylinder and keys are automotive industry standard, making it super safe and smooth. Friction damping mechanism between each pair of links gives it smooth and silent motion while operating the lock. Unlike other locks, the compact's locking pin can enter the cylinder from endless angles. It's built from 6 hardened steel links, overmolded by military-grade reinforced polymer. The cylinder is lockpicking resistant, protected against drilling, and has more than 1 million combinations. All metal parts are rust-free. Polymer compound is UV protected, keeping its fresh look under any conditions.
This is a switch bike.
This is a switch bike.
No, this is a switch bike.
All right, any bike can be a switch bike. You just need a switch kit. It's lightweight,
Handheld, fits to your handlebars and boosts your ride with electric power.
It connects easily and is instantly removable.
With Switch, you get a bike and an e-bike all in one.
I'm Oliver.
and I'm Dimitro,
We invented the switch kit for people that love their bikes.
like our friend Tom.
Tom loves his bike. I mean, he really loves his bike. A bit too much. But he wishes they spent more time together on the road. So we gave Tom a Switch kit. And now, they go everywhere together.
In 2017, our original kit raised over $500,000 on Indiegogo. Since then, we've delivered to over 30 countries, and now over 3,000 people have ridden over 1 million miles on their Switch kits.
Now we're back with a new and improved switch kit.
Smaller and lighter than ever before.
Here's how it works.
As you cycle, the pedal sensor detects your cadence and sends the signal to the power pack. The control system calculates the optimum power required and delivers it to the motor in the front wheel, giving you all the extra power you need.
We build the front motor wheel for you in any size. Just take off the old wheel and fit the new motor wheel. Then, click on the power pack and you're good to go.
Choose between 5 different power levels for complete control.
Go further and faster without breaking a sweat.
250 watts of power will flatten any hills, and a single charge will last for 50 kilometers.
Lightweight, durable. We've tested on the track to last for years on the road.
Since our last campaign, we've not only built a great new product, we've built a great team.
Which means better support for you. We want to live in a world where everyone chooses to cycle. That's why we're back on Indiegogo, offering you the best possible price so that you can be the next to make the switch. So place your order now.
And then join us for the ride.
That was it.
Do you remember when every day felt like an adventure? The excitement of new experiences, discovering new places. There is a way back to that. Break out of the old routine. Feel alive, the warmth of the sun, the wind in your hair. Bring the fun back.
We're a small team based out of Santa Cruz, California. Previously, we successfully launched an electric folding, cruiser, and city bike. And now we're launching our most exciting bike to date, an electric compact cargo bike. We call it the Pakka.
With the Pakka, you don't need a car. You can bring everything with you, all while enjoying the outdoors and building an active and healthy lifestyle. Running errands, heading out for the day, taking the kids for a play date. Easily carry the things you need, the ones you love. You can pack it all. Choose from over 200 ways to customize your ride using Pakka's unique multi-modular racking system. With smart mounting points in both the front and rear, you can carry up to 200 pounds of cargo. With one of the lowest frames ever designed for a cargo bike, getting on and off the bike is a breeze. No matter what kind of rider you are, with its compact design, the Pakka offers the perfect balance of convenience and rider friendliness. Perfect for storing and making turns easy. The dual battery system automatically uses both batteries to ensure you never have to stop when one battery runs out, giving you twice the range for long riding with heavy loading. It's powered by a 750-watt motor using direct drive technology for high durability. Now you have the freedom to go wherever, whenever.